Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed, playing content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and let's be planty friends. So, it is now July 10th, and two of the three winners of my Planty bundle giveaway has not responded, and it's going to start getting really hot, and I don't want to ship plants out when it's really hot. So we're moving on to runner-ups, and I'm going to insert a little clip of those guys. And congratulations to the runner-ups. Hopefully I hear from you and I can send out plants to you. If not, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing this if people aren't going to claim the plants they want or win. Anyway, let's get on to the picking. Alright guys, so those are the runner-ups, Amber and Lowney. If you guys can contact me via either Instagram or email so that we can get a secure way for me to get your address to send them out to you, that would be great. And yeah, until next time, relax, plant, peace out.